This is a demo of Wacom graphics tablet using Microsoft Whiteboard. I just wanted to show you how simple it is or how easy it is to work with this tablet. So I have a pen, a stylus pen, which works as a mouse as well as a pen. So let me use it as a mouse. So from here I am going to change the background to, let us say, black color. Black looks good, and I will select the solid grid background. Now I will close the settings, and here I am having different pens, so I will use one of them. Let us take yellow. Now let me solve one of the problem of TOC, which is to design a DFA to accept all the strings that starts with A, B. So the very first step is we list out strings in the language, and we start with minimum length string, which is A comma B, AB. Then we can have ABB, we can have ABA, we can have AB and any combination of B's. We have to list out all the strings that starts with AB, followed by any combination of A's and B's. So this is an infinite language. Now let us draw the finite state machine. So we have to start with Q0. So now let me draw a machine to accept minimum length string, which is AB. Now Q2 becomes your final state. Next, since the machine starts with AB, on B it should go to a dead state. Q1 on A it should go to dead state. Dead state will obviously have a self loop on A comma B, and since this starts with AB, in the end we can have any number of ABs, so a self loop on A comma B. Now let me draw the transition table. We have how many states? Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q5. Input is AB. Q0 on A, look at here, it goes to Q1. Q1 on B, Q0 on B goes to Q5. Q1 on A goes to Q5, B goes to Q2, Q2 goes to itself, Q5 is again have a self loop on A comma B. So Q0 is your initial state, Q2 is your final state. I am not explaining much because I just wanted to show you how smoothly you can do your work. So let me list out number of states. Q is equal to Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q5. Then initial state is Q0. Set of final states is Q2, and input symbol is your A comma B. This completes the solution. Now you can minimize the board like this. You can use the mouse pad and minimize it like this, and then you may move it around like this. Suppose here is your first problem. Now you can solve another problem here, problem number 2. If you want to go down, so this is an infinite board. Just hold this key and move it like this. So if you want to maximize this, you can maximize this and then take a focus on any specific part you want, or you can minimize this. Okay. Now let me show you how this graphics pen works. This stylus pen, you have to keep 5 to 10 mm above the surface to work it as a mouse pointer. So now suppose if I want to select the eraser over here to erase some part, what I will do is just move it over the surface. See, you can watch it from here, it may be clear. So you just move it above the surface, 5 to 10 millimeter above the surface. You locate the eraser, and now I will show you. Locate the eraser, and then to select the eraser you have to click it. Once you click it, you just go, and now suppose if I want to remove this, so see, to locate this, move it above the surface. To correct this, put it down on the tablet, and then use it like how you do it on a paper. So now suppose if I want to write something, say thicker pen, so here it will be like, to use this pen you don't need any practice. In the first time itself you can use it as smoothly as I am doing it right now. So you don't need much practice to use this. Thank you very much.